So this short video is just to explain the basics behind Edpuzzle, and then you can experiment on your own. First of all, you need to create a teacher's account, and when you do and you log in, this is what you'll see. You'll see my content, home, etc., etc. Now, you can upload videos, but you can also search for videos. And what you'll find is that maybe other teachers have already created an Edpuzzle for a video that you want to use. Now, what do I mean by that? I mean, they've edited a video and they've added questions for students to listen to and answer. So within Edpuzzle, you can choose a video, you can shorten it, you can crop it, and then you can add questions at different points of the video for students to answer. You can also add an audio introduction, so you can introduce the task to students. So what's the benefit of this? Well, if you're working in class, then maybe some students whose listening is better, they can move faster, whereas the other students who need more time, they can listen more than once and they can work at their own pace. So this allows for differentiation in the classroom. On the other hand, you can also use this for a homework task, assuming that students have access to the internet. So you can create a task and you can assign it to students. So when you've got your video ready with its questions, you can then send it to students and they can access it. One thing you need to remember when you assign it is that students have to create a student account. Otherwise, you cannot track what they've done. So one of the advantages of a tool like Edpuzzle is designed for work in schools. So it gives access to the teacher, can see how many people have done the listening task, have watched the video, etc., etc. So that's a basic introduction to Edpuzzle. There are other things that we need to learn. For example, when we select a video, how we can edit it, etc., etc. And when the video is ready, how we can assign it to our classes. But this video is just an introduction to the basic affordances, what you can do with Edpuzzle, and why it is worth considering making it one of the tools that you add to your own treasure chest.